Uh, uh, Hello, so we are going to create a simple API, I mean generative AI uh, app, okay, by using Groq, okay. So first of all, I need to install these things. So I am going to select my kernel and connecting to the kernel, okay. So this is connecting um, from my virtual environment. Now I want to show you what is Groq. Okay, so here you can see what is Groq. So Groq is an AI company that provide an AI interface platform including hardware and cloud services. So like it's like OpenAI API. It's like the OpenAI also provide API keys and Groq also provide API keys. So that and the key innovation is the language processing unit. Okay, so processor design especially for AI interface which deliver fast performance and high energy efficiency in compared to the GPU. So where do you get Groq API? So here we need to click on this. Okay, and after this you need to create API key by clicking there. Click click here, create API key. Okay, you can display name on display name of your API key. You can give any for AI project like chatbot. You can give any name from your OpenAI key and submit. Then you got API key and you need to keep it in okay here in .env file. Okay, so this is my Groq API key. Okay guys, please use your own API keys because I have downloaded after this project. Okay, don't use my API keys. So here, okay, so I have downloaded these things. I'm going to download pip install.env that we can access virtual environment. Sorry, that we can access .env file and load the variable for APIs like Groq API, Langsmith, and LangChain API, and Open API, whatever. Okay, so I have already installed this LangChain Core and LangChain Groq that we can use Groq API. Okay, after that I need to create these lines. Okay, so here these lines are used to load a environment variable. Okay, from .env file. So here I can use Groq API from .env file. Okay, and here this is the LangChain API key. Okay, I have already show you this. This is the LangChain API key and this is the LangChain tracking. Okay, so LangChain tracking v2 equals to true, that we get all loggings and details in LangChain dashboard. Okay, so here after this I need to write this line from LangChain Groq. Okay, from LangChain Groq import what chat, I think capital C, chat Groq. Okay, capital G. Here I'm going to create one variable which is LLM equals to chat Groq. Okay, so here I am going to use model equals to this is the model name. What is the model? llama 3.1 hyphen 8 billion parameter hyphen instant incident. Okay, so I'm going to use this model LLaMA 3.1 with 8 billion parameter. Okay, and here I can also keep temperature, so you randomness of your output. Okay, 0.7. And after that I need to print LLM. Okay, so I have finished these things. I have already downloaded these things: pip install.env, pip install LangChain core, pip install LangChain Groq. Okay, and this is the variables. Okay, Groq API, LangChain API key, and LangChain tracing v2. Okay, these are the variables. So we get access from .env file. So we are going to load these things. Okay, from there. After that, I'm going to ask result. Okay, so result equals to LLM. Okay, so I'm going to call my LLM. I mean, I'm going to ask the question from LLM. So I need to write LLM dot invoke that LLM give answer. Okay, from my query. So what is my query? By my query is what is generative AI. Okay, so this is my query. Now, okay, Control Z. What's going on here? Now I need to print what? Print result. So here, uh, this is the response. Content equals to generative AI, also known as generative artificial intelligence, is a subfield of artificial intelligence AI. So this is the response. Okay, and after that, so this is the basic chatbot by using Groq. So you need to download these things. Okay, after that you need to load the variables from the .env files, and after that you need to create a LLMs equals to chat Groq that you can apply your model. So what kind, I mean, what type of model you want to use. So there is a lots of different models, so you can select one and use in your project. Okay, and here this is the query. Okay, so what you want to ask, then you can ask ask the query and print the result. Okay, and after that I need to import from LangChain core dot prompt from. Okay, LangChain core dot prompts. Okay, import chat prompt. I think it is small. Yes. Oh, it is prompts or prompts. I think it is prompts. Now I'm going to import what I'm going to import. So here I'm going to import chat prompt, capital C, chat prompt template. Okay, so here chat prompt template. After that I'm going to import from LangChain core dot output parser. Okay, so here output underscore parser. Actually I don't know what it is, it's a spelling, so we can search here. LangChain core output parser import. Okay, so we can copy it and paste here. LangChain core dot output parser dot output parser import. Okay, import str output parser. I can check it again. Actually, I have already used this in my another project. This is the same project. This one. Okay, so I need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, so output parser import string output parser. Okay, so you can see from LangChain core dot prompts import chat prompt template, and here from and next line from LangChain core output parser import string str output parser that we get result in a string formats. Okay, so this is the prompt equals to chat prompt template dot from message. Okay, so these are the message, system message and user. Okay, so user give the input to the system, and system is an AI engineer, and it provide you question based on your query, and um, um, and system will be working as a expert AI engineer. Okay, so here output parser equals to, I'm going to pass here str output parser. Okay, so here I'm going to create chain means combining prompt LLM and output parser in one place. Okay, so here prompt pipe operator LLM pipe operator and output answer. And here response equals to chain dot invoke, and this is your query, tell me about AI. So print response. Then you can also ask the question, different question, like who is Trump, sorry, who is Trump. Okay, so this will generate answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, Donald Trump, sorry, Donald Trump is the 45% of the United States nation. 1 minute. So this is the response. Okay, so this is the small project by using Groq API. So we can also track things on LangSmith server. No, not server, LangSmith. Okay, so my project name AI. We can see this is my project name AI, and this is the time for 55 p.m. Okay, now 4:56. Then you can click on this. You can check queries. You can check everything on LangSmith, logging and tracing. If you have an error, and if you have response, and what is the output. So my last search is who is the Trump. Okay, so first I need before who is the Trump, I ask this question, what is generative AI. Okay, in chat Groq. You can see this is the chat Groq. So what is generative AI, and this is the output. This is the output, and you can check how many tokens it is used. 662. Okay, latency 1.15 second, and end time and start time. So you can see here, you can check feedback and you can check metadata also. Okay, model length is type is provider Groq. So you can have every detail in this page. Okay, and after this I ask the question, what is who is Trump? Okay, so in runnable sequence we got output who is Trump. So this is the output. You can match the output from this. Okay, so this is the output and this is also the output. Okay, you can also see tokens. This is the tokens, status success, end time and start time, metadata. Okay, you can check c python runtime version 3.10. Okay, so these are the runtime details. Okay, so guys, you can track your all detail on LangSmith dashboard. You can track everything from your project. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you in next video. If you have any doubt, please do comment. I can improve myself, because if you do any comment, then I will improve myself, and I will create improving video again.